Slow travel? Have you heard of this before? Well, I'm here to make you enjoy the journey more than the destination. Hey e-clubbers, ever felt like you are rushing through travel just to tick boxes? Let's switch gears. Meet slow travel, the art of savoring each moment and diving deep into local cultures beyond the usual rush. It's about forming genuine connections, understanding traditions, and leaving a place feeling enriched, not just visited. Use local transport, stay longer in one place, and say yes to unexpected invitations. Let your curiosity be your guide. So, E-Club adventurers, ready to embrace the journey as much as the destination? Slow travel might just change the way you see the world. Dive in, take it slow, and let every trip tell its own unique story. Share your slow travel experiences below.